Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will see the difference between equals versus equals to. Equals compares the characters inside a string object. Equals to compares two object reference to see whether they refer to the same instance. It's like equals compares two different people whether they are having the same name or not. Okay, equals to compares whether these two people are same or not. Okay, I hope everybody understood this difference. Equals compares whether the names of the two people are same. Equals to compares whether two persons are same. Okay, right. Okay, let us take a look at this particular program, friends. In this program, I have taken two strings S1 and S2. S1 is Sudha and S2 is also Sudha. Okay, so and I am using equals method of the string class to compare Sudha with the Sudha. Since the names of the both the objects are Sudha, so S1 dot equals S2 will return true for me. In the next statement, I am comparing S1 to S2 using double equals to. Okay, so since both are two different instances, S1 and S2 are pointing to two different instances, S1 double equals to S2 will return false for me. And now what I did is in S2 I have put another string which is Sinu, and I am using equals method to compare Sudha with Sinu. Since Sudha and Sinu the names are different, so it will return false for me. And again I am comparing S1 to S2. Okay, so S1 and S2 are both two different instances. This again will return false for me. Okay, and in the last case what I'm doing is I'm comparing S1 to S1. Since it is the same instance, it will return true for me. Okay, so I hope everybody understood the difference between equals and equals to, double equals to. We'll see this in the execution. So I have opened the command prompt. Now I'm compiling the program. So I'm saying java c str.java. So I said java c str.java. So I'm checking, I'm compiling the program. So there are no errors and warnings. So I can execute. So I'm saying java str. So you can see here in the output, friends. So let me mark it for you and show the output. So friends, you can see S1 and Sudha when compared, it is returning true for me. S1 and S2 when double equals to is used, it's false because there are two different instances. And then when I changed the second string to Sinu, and when I compared, it is returning false because Sudha and Sinu are not same. And then I'm comparing the instances S1 and S2. Okay, so it's false again. But S1 and S1, they both are the same instance. It is returning true for me. So I hope everybody understood this. Thank you for watching.